In this video, you'll be learning on how you can create Facebook page and how you can be creating lots of Facebook page with just your smartphone and without even using a laptop. Now, when you go online, you see different people telling you that they want to teach you how to create Facebook page with your phone. And most times, we have tried those process. I will see that Facebook keep telling us that they have created too many pages. Now, I've come with an idea. I've come with a solution that will help you create tons and tons of Facebook page, all with your smartphone. Now, my name is Onus Prosper, and in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can make money legitimately online and how you can also scale your business online. So do it to follow me for more. You can be dropping more video and also like my video. Do it to subscribe, like my video, and if you have any question, you can place it at the comment section and I will get back to you. So let's get into my screen. And the good thing about this is that you can create tons and tons of pages. Sometimes when I see many videos, they tell us something like this. Then you're on my Facebook, they tell you that you should click this search bar, this three dot. There, once you click it, now when you click on pages, you see something at the create account discover. You tell you to click on create accounts. Now, to cut the long story short, I don't want to make this video to be too long because many people don't like long video. Once you click get started, you click, as you keep going, they say that you have created too many pages. That you just message like that you have created too many pages. You will come back, try again, and most times you haven't even created any page at all. Now I'll be showing easy way you can create page without using this Facebook app on your mobile phone. You don't need a laptop, you don't need any VPN. Let's dive into my screen. So your Chrome browser or any browser, you click on web.facebook.com, then you click on go. When you click on go, it will take you to your Facebook. Then if you haven't logged in your Facebook, it tell you to log in your Facebook. Once you log in your Facebook, it will take you to this place. Then you click on this three icon here. This three icon here, click on it. You can see by my left hand side, you click on show more. There you see page here, pages. Click on pages. You see these are my two pages here, but you can also see in this left corner top side showing create image, create page, and create a new page. You can see it here. You click on it, create new page. To put the name of the page, let me see. It's a tech glory. Sorry. It's to add category. Let me say it, and well, you can do it any according to the this thing is just a niche. I'm just doing it so that this video will be very fast. Then you type it down what you want to do your page. You can see it, help beginners want to get into tech. Then you scroll down. Then you click on create page. You see this icon here. Create page, you click on it. As you click on it now, you can see here, verify your page. You can see once you are done now, you can see here they are telling me to put, there you can now update, put your website, phone number, email. And if you like this video, please just follow for more because I'll be dropping more content on how you can make money online. And also do it to like my video and also share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.